Welcome to GovDojo, the very first GovDojo. What we've got in store tonight is a little bit different. You may notice this is not your regular sit and listen. We're in a circle, and the whole idea of tonight is to be exploring decentralization, AI, and governance.
You have all travelled from your ordinary worlds to this dojo to work together and co-create something together. So I'm going to facilitate completing that journey from your ordinary world to here and finding out a little bit about each other and what it is that you are seeking.
What we're in by default right now, participating in the world, using all these superpowered technologies that are getting more powerful at an exponential rate. So we're at the behest of their will, of, a few founders, their C-suite, their board, their investors. They decide. We just have to accept that. We don't have voice.
We have this vision of what we call user-owned internet, user-owned everything, user-owned data, user-owned AI. One of the things we hope to do is to have community-governed models, and that would mean that we have a group of people in something like a DAO, like a decentralized autonomous organization, like House of Stake, where we can actually vote and make our voices heard about what data goes into those models, how they're trained, how often they're updated, what the parameters are, what the weights are, all these kinds of things.
So I'm going to be talking about liability for AI agents. So the law on liability for AI agents, including agentic agents, some people say there's no real difference, it's a fancy term. It's basically if the AI agent causes financial loss or harm, is anyone liable? When new technologies come along, they're often portrayed as revolutionary and disruptive, and so everyone's saying, well, we need new legal frameworks. It's just almost like the law cannot keep up.
The moment we start choosing camp, we are AI or we are human, this is when things goes wrong.
New Zealand has an opportunity to once again lead the world in being the moral compass for how AI is deployed.
AI has actually been trained by human knowledge, and so far we've been seeing that it's kind of very politically correct.
Human beings are naturally messy, and we're a kind of a wonderful thing, and we must always keep that up front.
I've come away, blown away, very pleasantly affirmed. Kiwis care and Kiwis show up and want to be part of this conversation, have a lot to say. How can we be involved in the shaping and the structuring of these kind of systems where humans and AI work together and we get the best from humanity and we get the best from AI and find that kind of AI plus human teamwork.
Listening to all of you tonight has encouraged me to talk to other people and actually even up my own game.
I'm observing it, I'm interested, I want to know more.